Follow these steps to set up QSTools in AutoCAD. First step, set up VBA for AutoCAD. Download and install the VBA module for your AutoCAD version to enable the VBA environment. Second step, set up SECURELOAD variable. Set the SECURELOAD variable to 0 to allow loading of Third step, set up startup variable. Set the startup variable to 0 to configure initial setting. Next step, download and install the Circle QSTool from the link below the YouTube video. Next step, open the Excel file folder on the desktop and run the active form requests file to register for the trial. Next step, configure the input table from Excel for Circle QSTools. Next step, set up the scale value for calculation. Next step, configure Excel to work with the VBA environment. Thank you for using the Circle QSTool.